Hey, I'm going to make this video today because I want to hopefully help somebody out that they don't have to spend the kind of money that I had to spend on my truck to finally get to this point where I'm at right now. But this is on a 2008 Dodge 3500 Mega Cab. And I've had this kind of like a clunking, knocking noise in the steering for almost the whole time since I bought the truck off a used lot. And it had bad ball joints. I went through that. It's got the tie rod updates done to it. Put the steering brace in it. Put a new steering box in it. Still, none of this stuff has fixed it. Put a new steering stabilizer on. Nothing. Nothing has fixed it. Well, I crawl underneath the dash, and when I did that, I found this knuckle right here that I'm going to show you. It's this piece right here. This part is close up by your steering wheel. There's a piece that fits into the firewall, and then this goes on out and that hooks to your steering box. Well, this piece here, which has that little breakaway pin right there, and that's for accidents, and supposedly I guess it's supposed to shear off or something like that. Well, anyways, this joint makes all kinds of racket. You can kind of see where it's been sliding in and out. That's really crappy video, but I can't help it because you know what? I don't make videos. This is what you get. But it's been wallowing out and banging up against that hole. So I finally went out, and you can buy this in two pieces. You don't have to buy both, but I went ahead and bought both so I could replace everything. Everything would be brand new. And yes, it was expensive. Very, very expensive. It was about $583 through the dealer. But anyways, I have put that in, and I just went on a long trip, and I probably put close to 3,000 miles on my truck, and there's been absolutely no noise whatsoever. Steering is absolutely like it's brand new. And you know, to do this is actually super duper easy. There's not really anything to it. All you gotta do is you're gonna have to come right up here where it joins behind the steering wheel and take the bolt out that goes in that hole. Then you've got another bolt that goes right in there that secures that to the steering box, and you can actually break it apart right there and break it into three pieces if you wanted to. And this piece right here just fits right into the firewall. You just press it in. It's got, you know, a little lip right there, but you can just press that in there. But anyways, I know that there's been all kinds of talk about this, and everybody says, oh, I've done this and I've done that. Well, I've pretty much literally replaced it all. And this was the last piece I did, and this is what fixed it. And like I said, I've had no issues with it. It works great. Hopefully it helps somebody out there, and hopefully you can go down the road and not have to listen to that stupid knocking noise. So anyways, hope it helped you out. See ya.